Raising gas is started. We have the speed of the wind. Break quickly at the start. The chosen one is down on the inside. Bagong silang. Peace and love. Power overcomes next. Valentine Rose in the middle. Accuris then next online is Mr. Lindros. Mount Panama Blue Shake while Maaliwalas is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. When going along for the first turn, we have the speed of the wind by our length. Right behind in second is Bagong Silang. Power over is racing in third. The chosen one is down in fourth. Accuris comes next. Valentine Rose. Peace and Love. Mount Panama. Mr. Lindros. Then comes Maaliwalas. While Blue Shake now racing in last. Back to the leader. We have speed of the wind. Maintaining a trip for the length lead. And in second is Bagong Silang. Power over. Moving up now to take third. Now down in fourth is Accuris. Then next online is the chosen one. Maaliwalas comes next. Valentine Rose. Peace and Love. Mount Panama Blue Shake. While Mr. Lindros now running at the tail of the field. And Diana entering the home stretch. The lead now belongs to Power over. Dropping back in second. Speed of the wind. Maaliwalas is lifting down on the inside with about 100 meters up the race. Power over. Maaliwalas moving up now to take the lead. It's now Maaliwalas over. Power over. And finally Maaliwalas. Power over. Mount Panama, the chosen one. Then comes Accuris. Peace and Love for your Super 6.